Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we will discuss about the basics of quadratic equation. So what is quadratic equation? So let's start our today's video. Suppose if an expression is written like this, so this is an example of quadratic equation. Why? Because it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So what can we see that if an expression is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, we can term it as quadratic expression. So this is a combination of three terms. That is first a square term, x square, and the second is linear term, that is x, and third is a constant term, that is without x. So what is the square term here? This, and what is a linear term? Bx, and what is a constant term? That is c. So what can I say that any expression of the form ax square plus bx plus c are known as quadratic equation. So this is the quadratic expression form. So let's consider a product and check. So we'll consider a product that is x plus 1 and x plus 2. So if we have to count this equation in terms of quadratic expression, how can we make it? So they said it a product, so we will multiply them. So first we multiply this x with this x and then this x with 2. So x multiply x is x square, x multiply 2 is 2x. Again we'll repeat it with this one. 1 multiply x is 1x and 1 multiply 2 is 2. We will add the same terms, that is 2x and x. So x plus 2x is 3x plus 2. Now it's look like in the form of this, that is ax square plus bx plus c. This is the standard form. So what we learned that if x has power 1, so we can say that it is a linear equation. Example, 2x plus 4 equals 0. So here x has degree 1. So we cannot say that it's a quadratic equation. It's a linear equation. And if x has power 2, we can say that it's a quadratic equation. For example, x square plus 3x plus 2. And if x has power 3, we can say that it's a cubic equation. That is x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 4. So a quadratic equation is one which can be written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So I'll mention two terms here. That is an expression or an equation. What is the difference between an expression or an equation? Now we will discuss about this. An expression is this if an form is written like this, and an equation is this, and if this is equals to 0. If it is not equals to 0, this is known as expression, and if it is equals to 0, then it is an equation. So we can say that it's a quadratic expression, and we can say that it's in a quadratic equation. Equation we consider that always equals to 0. So here x is the variable and A, B, and C are the constants. And one more important thing is that in this expression, A can never be equals to 0 if you have to consider it in the form of quadratic equation. If the A equals 0, then the whole thing becomes 0, right? So this is comes in the category of Bx plus C. Now it's a linear equation. So A can never be 0. Okay. So suppose we have to find the value of the constants A, B, and C. I'll write the expression first. This is an expression because it's not equals to 0. So what is the value of A, B, and C here? So our expression is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So compare this x square. What is written? A, and here what is written? 3. So to what value of A is 3. Here x. What is the value of B? 5. And C, what is the value of C? Is 2. Suppose let's take an example of a quadratic equation. 3x minus 2 plus 5x square equals 0. This is equals to 0. That means this is a quadratic equation because x has power 2. So first we'll write it. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So ax square is 5x square, bx is 3x with positive sign, and c is minus 2 equals 0. So what is the value of a here? 5. And what is the value of b here? 3. And what is the value of c here? Minus 2. I hope you can find the value of variables easily now. A, B, and C. Always remember the sign. Here C is minus 2. Okay, if it is in term of addition, there is a plus sign, you can simply write it. But if it's there is a negative sign, so mention the sign along with it. Suppose they give you an equation and you have to write this equation in the standard quadratic form. 2x plus 1 and 1 minus x equal x. And you have to write in standard quadratic form. How can you write it? This does not look like an equation, quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. First, we have to make it like this. So how can we make it? Write it. Okay, so as we did earlier, we multiply them. 2x with 1 is 2x, 2x with minus x, that is minus 2x square. 1 with 1 is plus 1, and 1 with x minus x is minus x. And here we notice that it's equals to 0. So we'll take this x to this side. It is an addition sign. When it comes to here, it comes with a negative sign. It equals to 0. We solved it. Here is 2x. Minus x is minus 2x equals 0. Here is plus 2x and here is minus 2x. We eliminate it. And only what is left? Minus 2x square plus 1 is left. So it is quite difficult to solve minus 2 here. So we will multiply minus 1 both the sides. Multiply minus 1 both the sides. So minus 1 multiply the whole expression. So we'll write the expression in the bracket. So minus is plus, and 1 multiplied 2x square is 2x square, and minus plus is minus 1 equals 0 multiply minus 1 is 0. So now it is comes in look like this. Here x square, but here is no x and c is n. So what is the value of a here? If we compare, the value of a is 2, but there is no expression for the bx value. So we'll continue. We will take b as 0, and what is the value of c is constant is -1. That's how you can solve this and write your variables values. Suppose they give you another question like this and you have to find the value of a, b and c. X plus 1 over x equal 3. Write this in the standard form. And specify its coefficient. Coefficient means the value of a, b and c. So how can we solve this? We'll take the LCM by taking it 1 in the denominator here. So LCM is x. So we multiply 1 with x, and x is x square plus 1 equal 3. Here we'll take it 1 and do the cross multiplication. Equal 3x. We'll take it because in the algebraic quadratic equation, our equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So we'll take it 3x to this side in minus 3x plus 1 and consider it at equals to 0. Now we can compare this. So a equal 1, b is -3, and c is 5. I hope you have cleared this. How can we find the value of a, b and c in the form of, and how to convert all these expression and equation in the form of quadratic form. So stay tuned for the next video where we learned about the understanding the zeros and the roots of the equations. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.